QL-800 tutorial number 5, Replacing the Printhead. By default, the maintenance utility can be accessed via the Start menu under All Programs in the Quick Label QL-800 folder. Open the maintenance utility and go to the Parts Replacement tab. Select Printhead and click Start to initiate. Continue selecting Next until otherwise prompted. The ink lines must be drained of ink before you can replace the printhead. Once the printer is finished draining, lift the printhead cover and pull the printhead towards the back of the printer, then up. Click Next to move on to the Printhead Installation. Take note of these warnings printed on the printhead box. Remove the printhead from the box and take it out of the packaging. Always hold the printhead from the plastic handle. Unclip the orange casing. Remove the plastic bracket from the printhead. And slowly remove the protective tape. Wipe away any excess fluid with a lint-free cloth before installing. Install the printhead into the top of the printer. Press down and then forward until it clicks. Close the printhead latch. Select Next on your laptop or PC. The printer will now prime, filling the ink lines with ink. You've successfully installed the printhead. Watch our next video to learn how to load media into the QL-800.